Have you ever wondered if the celestial bodies in the cosmos could influence the tremors we feel beneath our feet? Could the moon, the sun, or even the distant planets play a part in triggering earthquakes? It may sound like a plot straight out of a science fiction novel, but there are scientific theories and studies that suggest a connection between celestial bodies and earthquakes. The primary mechanisms through which celestial bodies could potentially influence earthquakes are threefold. First, the gravitational pull of the sun and the moon. Second, the tidal tug exerted by celestial bodies on Earth. Lastly, solar eruptions from the sun are said to have the potential to trigger earthquakes. Earthquakes, as we know, occur when there is a sudden disturbance in rock formations, releasing a large amount of energy. This energy, built up over long periods due to tectonic forces within the Earth, spreads out in all directions, causing the ground to shake. Aftershocks, smaller tremors that follow the main quake, are a common phenomenon. Most earthquakes are found to occur along the boundaries of the Earth's crustal plates, which are in a state of continuous slow movement. Geophysicist Anne M. Hofmeister proposes an alternative theory, suggesting that imbalanced forces and torques in the Earth-Moon-Sun system drive circulation of the Earth's mantle. This provides a contrast to the widely accepted hypothesis that the movement of tectonic plates is related to convection currents in the Earth's mantle. Further studies have hypothesized that powerful solar storms could cause earthquakes in various parts of the world. Certain planetary alignments are also thought to potentially induce earthquakes through tidal tugging, exerting a gravitational influence on Earth. The idea of celestial bodies influencing earthquakes isn't new. In fact, Swiss astronomer Johann Rudolf Wolf in 1852 was the first to propose a relationship between Jupiter and sunspot activity. And Dr. R. Challinor of the University of Toronto suggested a link between events on the Sun, the rate of Earth's spin, and the cause of earthquakes. Interestingly, predicting earthquakes was once considered an astrological phenomenon. Although today, astrology and astronomy stand as separate disciplines, with only the latter being recognized as a science, the historical connection between the two is hard to ignore. A compelling study concludes that due to solar wind bombarding Earth, pressure is generated via shock waves on the magnetosphere, reducing its size and potentially causing earthquakes in certain places. It's also noted that fluctuations in the geomagnetic field are linked to solar wind gusting towards Earth. In summary, the celestial influence on earthquakes is a fascinating area of study. The gravitational pull of the sun and moon, tidal tugging by celestial bodies, and the impact of solar eruptions all present intriguing possibilities for the triggering of earthquakes. These theories, coupled with the historical connection between astrology and earthquake prediction, make for a compelling exploration of the cosmos's potential influence on our terrestrial life.